Firstly, the wheel nuts are loosened. The tire is then removed. The caliper is then removed from the drum brake. The drum is removed from the entire assembly. The return springs are unhooked and removed, and after that, the front and rear brake shoe hold-down spring is also removed. The adjuster assembly is removed. The adjuster is made sure to be clean and the wheel moving freely on the threads. The entire brake assembly is dismantled and each brake part is named. The thickness of the brake lining is checked using a vernier caliper. The inside diameter of the drum is measured at several places to determine the amount of out of round. In this particular case, we decided to measure the inside diameter at 4 places for the best accuracy. Before reassembling the brake, the inner surface of the brake drum is chalked and rubbed with shoe and lining assembly. After cleaning off the chalk, the brake assembly is assembled on the mount and the screws are tightened. The caliper is reassembled onto the drum brake. And finally, the tire is reassembled.
In this section, I will state the name of each part found in the vehicle's drum brake system, based on the picture in the slide. Number 1 is a drum. Number 2 is a return spring. Number 3 is a shoe spring. Number 4 is an adjuster lever. Number 5 is an adjuster. Number 6 is pull-off spring. Number 7 is shoe hole sleeve. Number 8 is shoe hole spring. Number 9 is return spring. Number 10 is primary brake shoe. Number 11 is a secondary brake shoe. Number 12 is hold-down spring. Number 13 is hold-down pin. Number 14 is strut. Number 15 is trailing shoe. Number 16 is hood spring pin. Number 17 is a brake pipe. Number 18 is parking brake cable. Number 19 is a wheel hub. And the last one is a back plate.
Next, I'll be explaining the condition of each part in the drum brake system based on our inspection. As you can see in the table, most of the components are still in good condition. The brake drum is marked as good, meaning it has no major wear or damage. The return spring is also good, which means it still has proper tension and can hold the brake shoes firmly. For the shoe and lining assembly, the measured thickness is 4.30 millimeters. This shows that it's still within the acceptable range. However, both shoe-to-shoe springs are marked as lining worn out. This indicates they have lost their elasticity or surface friction, which could affect braking performance. Lastly, the piston and the second brake drum are also in good condition, indicating no leaks or cracks. Overall, the drum brake system is in decent shape, but the worn-out shoe-to-shoe springs should be replaced to ensure safe and efficient braking. Now moving on to the inspection of the drum brake parts. Based on the inspection result shown in the table, the brake lining thickness was measured at 2.35 millimeters. This indicates that the lining is still usable but already close to its wear limit. Next, the brake drum inside diameter was measured at 4 different points: 167.15, 167.07, 166 and 82, and 167.21 millimeters. These values are all quite consistent, which shows that the drum surface is still round and not heavily worn out. Lastly, the shoe and lining assembly has a thickness of 4.30 millimeters, which is still within acceptable condition. Overall, the inspection results show that the drum brake system is in good working condition, but the brake lining should be checked regularly as it is approaching its limit.
For discussion, first, based on our finding, the condition of brake shoe is worn out. It should be replaced with a new brake shoe. Second, according the result of the drum brake inside diameter measurements, the overall shape of the drum is circular and not oval. Number 3, if deep crack is found on the drum, it cannot be repaired. A deep crack compromises its structure integrity, making it unsafe. Fourth, the advantage of the drum brake compared to the disc brake is the manufacturing cost. Thank you.
For the conclusion, in conclusion, the brake shoe lining must be replaced due to its worn-out condition. The drum still retains a circular shape. If the drum is cracked, it cannot be fixed. One advantage is a drum brake being cheaper to manufacture compared to a disc brake. That is all from us. Thank you.